Hello and good morning, friends. It's a beautiful day. Let's go ahead and get our day started. We're going to stand up, put our hand over our heart. We're going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, so this morning we are looking at what is the name of the month. What is the name of the month, friends? June. It's June. Great. So now we need to figure out what today is. Ready? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, so yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Nice job, friends. Okay, so today is Tuesday. Let's count to find the date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So today is Tuesday, June 16th, 2020. Alrighty, friends. Now it's time for the weather. Okay, so I'm going to count back from 10. I want you to go look out the window and see what the sky is doing this morning. So go ahead for me and go check and see what the sky is doing this morning. I'm going to count back. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so let's see. What is the sky doing today? What is the weather doing? So, we're talking about the weather and the sky. Is it raining, snowing, sleeting, hailing, any kind of precipitation today? No. Okay, so that rules these out. It's not super windy. It's definitely a little breezy, though. It's a little chilly for June. But have you seen the sun this morning? I have not in Bridgeville. I have not seen the sun this morning. So I'm going to go with mostly cloudy. We'll see how the day goes. But as of right now, it's just pretty cloudy outside. Don't forget to review that shape song. And anytime over the summer when you want to review your shapes, this is a great place to do it. Remember, we only sing that first verse that gets us ready for the 4-year-old program. All right, let's say the alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. All right. Shape review. Okay, so shapes. Remember, I'm going to point to the shape. And then you're going to say what it is. Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. What's that shape? This is a star. It's a star. And what color is this star? Red. It's red. All right, let's pick another one. 3, 2, 1. What's this shape here? It's an octagon. Right, it's an octagon. And what color is that octagon? Black. All right, let's do one more. 3, 2, 1. What's this shape here? It's a triangle. A triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. All right, don't forget to practice counting to 20, and then once you're perfect at counting to 20, counting past 20 as high as you can. But this is a great resource, this song, to practice getting up, getting moving, but also to practice that counting. The link is below. And then we've got, our number. Silly Miss Swain. This is our number. Our number is the number 10. It's the number 10. And how many counters do I have in my tens frame? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 counters in my tens frame because this is the number 10. All right, let's count up to 15 together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, now let's count back. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job, friends. Moving on for some of our letter review. So let's see, what are we going to review today? Oh, I have one. What is this letter? Do you remember? Almost there. This is the letter G. The letter G. And we make the letter G, we start at the top. So we make a big curve, little line up, little line across. What's the name of this letter? G. And what sound does G make? G. G makes the G sound. Nice job. Let's do another. Here we go. What's that letter? T. That's the letter T. And we make the letter T, we start at the top, which also starts with a T. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top. What's the name of the letter? T. And what sound does T make? T. T makes the T sound. I can make another letter from this one. What letter, friends? I. This is the letter I. When we make an I, we start at the top. We do a big line down, frog jump up, little line on top, little line on bottom. What's the name of that letter? I. And what sound does I make? I. I makes the I sound. All right, nice job, friends. Moving right along. The music, as you know, is Animal Dance and Freeze and Poppin' Bubbles. The read aloud will be posted. And I hope you all have a super fabulous, absolutely wonderful day, and also absolutely wonderful summer where you get lots and lots of rest and relaxation and just play all summer. Get it all out because we'll be coming back hopefully in the fall, and no matter when we come back, we will be coming back to school at some point. And when we do, I am hoping that you all have gotten your rest and you've gotten all those sillies out, but not too many sillies because I like some sillies. Get some of those sillies out so that you're ready to come back and learn when we start the new school year. All right, friends, I love you guys. I miss you so much. And have a super duper summer, and I can't wait to see you soon.